Welcome to the Calm Within, your home for all things relaxation and meditation. Be sure to subscribe to get all of our latest guided meditations. If you find our content helpful, drop us a comment and smash that like button. We really appreciate your support. Join us in this morning guided meditation. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, allowing your spine to be tall and your body relaxed. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, exhaling slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or concerns from the previous night. As you inhale, envision breathing in a fresh, revitalizing energy. And as you exhale, imagine releasing any residual fatigue or negativity. Take a few moments to focus on your breathing, allowing it to become calm and steady. Now, bring your attention to the present moment and the new day ahead. Visualize the rising sun casting its gentle rays of light upon the earth, awakening nature and filling the world with warmth and possibility. As you bask in this metaphorical sunrise, bring your awareness to the sensations in your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, and with each breath, allow them to soften and dissolve. Feel a sense of ease and relaxation spreading through your entire being. Take a moment to set your intention for the day. Reflect on how you would like to approach the upcoming hours and the qualities you wish to embody. It could be gratitude, kindness, presence, or any other intention that resonates with you. Hold this intention in your heart, knowing that it will guide your actions and interactions throughout the day. Now, turn your attention to the power of gratitude. Bring to mind 3 things you are grateful for in this moment: the blessings, opportunities, or simple joys that you cherish. Take a moment to deeply appreciate them and let the feeling of gratitude fill your entire being. As you continue to breathe, imagine a golden light surrounding your body, symbolizing love, warmth, and positivity. Visualize this light expanding with each breath, radiating outwards and embracing your surroundings. Take a moment to connect with your inner self, your essence of being. Allow yourself to tap into your inner wisdom, creativity, and intuition. Feel a deep sense of connection to your true self, aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your authentic nature. Try to envision your day unfolding with grace and ease. See yourself engaging in your daily activities with a sense of presence, joy, and purpose. Visualize yourself connecting with others, offering kindness, and receiving it in return. With a gentle smile, acknowledge the opportunities that await you. Embrace the unknown with a sense of curiosity and openness, knowing that each moment holds the potential for growth and transformation. Now, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with renewed energy and vitality. As you exhale, release any remaining tension or doubts, fully embracing the possibilities of this new day. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying the peace, gratitude, and intention you cultivated in this morning meditation into your day. Embrace the beauty and potential that each morning brings, and trust that you have the ability to create a day filled with positivity and purpose. Thank you for joining us at The Calm Within, your sanctuary for peace, mindfulness, and self-discovery. Remember to breathe deeply, embrace stillness, and find solace in the present moment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more soothing content. If you believe our guided meditations can help someone you know, please share it with them. Your support means the world to us and is deeply appreciated. Until next time, may tranquility guide your path, and may you always find the calm within.